If you are like me and 4 million other users and you are locked out of Mint and you want to transfer over to a new budgeting software, let's say Monarch, for example, in the lower right, actually, spoiler alert, I love this much better than Mint, and I wish I'd actually switched to Monarch sooner. But anyway, I'll actually leave a promo code in the description below, not meaning to oversell you on anything, but Monarch is pretty awesome. But back to Mint. Now you want your categories. Well, if you go ahead and open up your app, and if you're like me, you followed along and you thought, hey, I will simply go over to Credit Karma, and because they're clearly promising me the ability to do budgeting over there. Well, Credit Karma is horrible, and they give you this error right here. I can no longer get into Mint and see my categories. And I've had this thing since, wow, 10 years. So this is what you do. So here we are in the app, very, very frustrating. Go ahead and swipe down on your iPhone or somehow put it into airplane mode. Now swipe back up and it will refresh the Mint app and it will say something didn't work. Well, no duh. In the upper right, click on that little X. And there's usually an ad of some kind because, well, it's Mint. They love their advertising. And click on that, close again. Now, just like that, we are now into our app. Isn't that cool? Now you may be like, well, how do I still find my categories? Well, go down to monthly. See there on the bottom, right down there, click on that and just ignore that. Try again, ignore that. And right in the middle, see that, that March spending category right there? Click on that. Now at this point, it's not going to show anything because it's not synchronizing, but I opened up this app actually back in October, and that is when my categories were actually, synchronizing with my bank. So in the upper right, see that right there, the filter, click on that. And now we're going to click on custom. And like I said, last I synchronized my app was back in October. So we're going to go back to October and right there, click on October start date on the 1st to the 31st, click apply, and boom. There are all of my categories. Simply click on that in the top, see that right there, just like that. Wow, it looks like I spent a lot. I don't think I actually did anything to actually, anyway, don't judge me too harshly. This is actually like all out of whack here. So anyway, that's how you access your categories if you have been locked out of Mint. You're welcome, friends. Oh, by the way, click on that promo discount link to go over to Monarch. It's awesome. Okay, enough of that. Bye-bye.